How to turn on a Samsung phone without the power. This tutorial shows you how to wake your screen using only software methods. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From there, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. At this point, tap on Assistant menu. In the next step, toggle on Assistant menu to enable it. Following this, a floating button will now appear on your screen. Tap on it whenever you need to wake or lock your screen without using the power button. Once done, go back to the main settings page and tap on Advanced Features. From there, tap on Motions and Gestures. At this stage, look for Double Tap to Wake or Lift to Wake and toggle it on. After this, you can now simply double tap on your screen or lift your device to wake it up without needing the power button at all. Finally, if you want to go back to using the power button normally once it's fixed, just head back to the same settings and toggle everything off. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on your Samsung without the power button, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.